Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the driver being installed is not validated for this computer. Please obtain the appropriate driver from the computer manufacturer. Setup will exit. Would you like more information? Click yes to be directed to the Intel support website. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu. Type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Double click on the Display Adapter section, and then whatever display adapter is listed under here, go ahead and right click on it and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, locate and install a driver manually, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select whichever one is most applicable. Preferably if you have a non-generic one, I would go ahead and select the non-generic one, the one that pertains more to your graphics card. Otherwise, you would just select the basic one if that was the only one that was available. And go ahead and select Next. Give it a moment here. And then once that's done, I would recommend closing out of here, restart your computer, and then attempt to run the application or driver install again, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So once you're done with that, go ahead, restart the computer, and then attempt to install the drivers once again, and then hopefully the issue should have been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can go ahead and open up a web browser. And we're going to navigate over to a website I'm going to have in the description of the video here, guys. And just search for it in the URL bar. And now you want to scroll down where it says Intel graphics driver for Windows. And you want to get one of the more later versions here. So it goes in descending order. We're going to go ahead and select just the Windows one here. And you can see it says Windows 10 support. The other ones up here have 7 and 8 support, but we're going to select the Windows 10 one for our video here. And just going to go ahead and select that. And go ahead and select download on the left side here. So you can download executables, and you can see 64-bit would be the first download, 32-bit would be the second download here. So we're going to go ahead and just select the 32-bit. In my case, most of you guys are probably going to be selecting the 64-bit one, which would be the top one at the time of this recording. So you can see that up here, 64-bit, but we're going to select 32 in my case. But again, most of you guys are going to be 64-bit, just want to put that out there. And it will take a couple minutes to download. It's about 111 megabytes, so just be patient. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. Select Run. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. So it doesn't meet the minimum requirements for installing on this computer because it's a virtual environment, but otherwise it would work in your case. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Just go ahead and let it install, restart the computer, and that would be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.